Muxor from Clarier Presbyterian Higher Secondary School, CD1.
Okay, good morning. I am Pleasant Listener, junior athletic coach of the district sports office. So this district level in the school athletic meet, actually it was an initiative of the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs. This meet is actually conducted in almost all the districts, in all the 12 districts. And then after conducting in the district, athletes who are selected from the district level, they will be representing their district at the state level. So here in our district in Clarier, this year events, we have around 773 athletes, a total of 403 boys and 370 for the under 14 athletes, both boys and girls. And in the under 16 categories, we have events like 60 meters, 600, and then medley relay, those events. And then in the under 18, we have almost events like senior events only. We have the 100-meter, 200-meter, and all the jumping and throwing events. Yeah, actually, it was just day one been completed yesterday, so we will not be able to identify yet. As day one, you all know that we have even like heats and finals. So yesterday, most of the event are heats. But however, we have already get some results. So still, like from 2-3 results, we will not be able to let you know like who is going to win this year championship. But however, there are some schools over the last year which we have been, which have been, what to say, which have been like we have like the champion last year, like Bopung and then Saint Right to Bear. They have been the two schools who have always been the overall champion. So this year also, from those two results, like few results which we have been getting, it's from them only. But however, I'm looking forward that schools like KB Memorial and then Cham Cham and Sanchunong, those schools also, I think they can make a comeback.